Hi everyone, we're going to verify trig identity given here. So we'll get started. The first thing let's do is expand the secant minus tangent squared. It's this format here. So I'm going to rewrite this as secant squared theta minus 2 secant times tan plus tan squared. Whoops, why did I write a 9? Tan squared plus 1. Now, we know that tan squared plus 1 equals secant. So I'm going to change that. We can write our denominator here if we want. So we have cosecant theta, secant theta minus tan theta. So the next step I'm going to do is just go and write this as secant squared. So if this is secant squared, then I have secant squared plus secant squared is 2 secant squared. So that's going to give me 2 secant squared theta minus 2 secant theta tan of theta, all divided by cosecant theta minus, times secant theta minus tan theta. Now the next thing I'm going to do is factor out a 2 secant. When I factor out a 2 secant, I'm going to get this. So I'm going to do that on the next slide. So we're going to get 2 secant theta times secant theta minus tan theta. And then we have cosecant theta times secant theta minus tan theta. So simple enough so far. This cancels out. However, it still does not look like our goal. So at this point, I'm going to rewrite these two in terms of sine and cosine. So I still have my 2. We have that. That's good. So let's bring the 2 out. And this is going to be 1 divided by cosine. And this one is 1 divided by sine. So basically what you have is you keep, let's do green, keep, and then instead of divide, let's times, and then you flip this. So instead of divided by 1 divided by sine, you're multiplying it by sine. Divided by 1. Well, this equals, and then we still have 2 here. This is going to equal your 2 sine divided by cosine, which equals 2 tan of theta. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.